In the back row of the move. Byron Review, a great part of the week to be at 2 minutes away from 5. See the roads shaking up this year, about the league working hard, and then almost $18,000 after that. Discover a new level of Lux at Rawson Homes. Visit a display centre or download the new Lux Guide at rawsonhomes.com.